All right, let's talk about a huge shift happening right now in software development.
The world of coding is changing fast, and honestly, AI is holding the pen.
And it's not just new tools, it's a whole new mindset. So what's this mean for you?
For years, being a developer meant your world was predictable, totally structured.
Yeah, we're talking deterministic. Put something in, you know exactly what you'll get out.
But here's the twist. AI plays by a totally different set of rules.
It's all probabilistic. It kind of figures things out as it goes to hit a target.
And this right here, it perfectly shows that massive switch from the old way to the new.
Because of this change, a whole new type of engineer is showing up on the scene.
First up, your environment. Forget exact outputs. Now it's about handling uncertainty. Your mindset has to shift from micromanaging logic to, well, managing autonomous agents.
Think about this for a second. It's probably the biggest change to the job, period.
So your main job isn't just writing code anymore. It's checking the work the AI does.
What you're actually building now isn't the code. It's the instructions that guide the AI.
So, to sum up this new mindset, it's about managing, verifying, specifying, and guiding.
Look, this isn't about replacing you. It's about leveling up your role to be more strategic.
So you have to ask yourself, which side of this massive shift are you going to be on?